This video is a tutorial on using the TI-84 plus CE for two-variable statistics. We're going to start by using the variables x and y that we have on the screen. We'll turn on the calculator, and then we'll use the stat button to get into stat mode. Once we are in that mode, we will see a menu of items to select from. We want to edit, and you can see that it's highlighting edit and the number 1 in front of edit. So we just have to press enter to select that mode. We now see a table in which we can enter our x values. We start by just entering the numbers followed by enter, and we do that until we have all of the x values inputted into the calculator. Once all the numbers are entered into the calculator, we'll use the right arrow, and that will allow us to get into the second column and start entering our y values. And we'll follow the same method of just entering the numbers followed by the enter key to put them all in. Once those values have all been entered, we're going to press the stat button again, and that's going to put us back into that menu. We will then use the arrow keys to move around. We're going to move to the right to calc, and then down to two variable statistics, and we'll press enter to select that. We now just need to arrow down to calculate and press enter, at which point it will show us a variety of variables. Let's move the calculator out of the way and we can see what those values actually should be. Again, we can use the arrow buttons to move us around up and down through the list to see the different values. We press the stat button again. Then we can arrow over to calc and go down to lin reg, ax plus b. Scroll down to calculate, press enter. And that gives us the slope and the intercept. A being the slope and b being the intercept, ax plus b. Press stat again, go over to tests and down to linreg t-test. We can use this to find our correlation coefficient. So press enter to select it. Again, scroll down to calculate and enter. And if we scroll down, we can see the a and b, but in a plus bx form. But we can also see r, our correlation coefficient. Now that we've done all that, we can press the clear button. And that will clear us out of this. Now, if we want to go in and clear the data, we can press the stat button again, hit equal enter to get us into the editing form, and then we're going to use the arrow buttons, the clear button, and enter to clear our values. So we can use the arrow button to scroll up to the column header, in this case L2, clear and enter will clear those values, and then we can arrow over to the L1, clear and enter will allow us to clear those values. We can now use second and mode. Notice above mode it says quit, to quit out of that stats mode. And then feel free to turn off the calculator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Have a wonderful day.